Mark chapter 5 from verse 35 to verse 43. Jesus did still attack when some people from Jairus' yard come to Jairus, the head for the Jew them church. Them tell him say, your girl picnic dead, what make you still a bother the teacher? But Jesus never paid her no mind. Him said to the head for the Jew them church, nobody afraid, just believe. Jesus never make nobody go with him. Uncle Peter, James, and James' brother, John. When them reach Jairus' yard, instead the people them a make one bag of noise and a put on one piece of loud bawling. When Jesus go in, him say to them, say, when a ball and a go and suffer, the picnic not dead. Asleep, she asleep. And them start laugh after him. But Jesus sent everybody out of the house. Then him take the little girl mother and father and him 3 follower them and go in the room where the little girl did there. Then Jesus take time hold the little girl hand and say to her, say, Talita, cum. That mean, little girl, get up. The little girl get up same time and start walk round. She had about 12-year-old. Them we see what happen did shock so till. But Jesus order them trang, no fi tell nobody what happen. Then he tell them fi give her something fi yam. Ah, God want this. Thank God.